TB in the country, in the globe, and even in this continent. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Majority Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Let me also take this opportunity to welcome the Global Caucus on TB. Honorable Speaker, Africa indeed is one of the places where this disease is very prevalent, and mostly because of our crowded neighborhoods, especially those in urban areas and peri-urban areas where there are slums and people live in very abhorrent conditions, and therefore such communicable diseases become very easy to spread. Honorable Speaker, as I welcome them, let me make a commitment that in September, when the UN high-level meeting is convened in New York, the President of the Republic of Kenya will join other presidents in supporting the fight against TB in the world. Honorable Speaker, we are a nation that has against TB and other communicable diseases, but also in ensuring that there is universal health care in this country. And as I welcome them, we commit also as members of the National Assembly and the Parliament of Kenya to support this caucus in the fight against TB. And of course, there is a very good nexus between the prevalence of TB and HIV/AIDS. I hope all these things through the caucus will be able to articulate them, and I welcome them to the Republic of Kenya, the greatest nation in Africa.
Thank you, Majority Leader. I think we'll end there. Those who have spoken for all of you members. I know that TB is something very frightening. Visit your local hospitals and you'll see the pain that TB patients go through. Honorable members, I want to acknowledge the following schools in the public gallery: St. Augustine